This is a stretch for the pectoralis major muscle, the muscle that goes across your chest from your sternum to your arm. What you'll do is you'll place your arm at shoulder height. Actually, you can do shoulder or below that or above that, whichever is tighter to you. There's different attachments, origins to the muscle, so just use your discretion. What you'll do is you'll step forward with the opposite foot, and we'll go turning your body until you feel a slight stretch. Pain-free, slight stretch. Hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to press this elbow into the wall, elbow and hand into the wall, or into the door jamb, and hold for a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to relax the contraction, and then you should be able to turn your body a little bit more, and your range of motion should be improved. And hold for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press your hand and elbow into the wall again for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax, and you should be able to go a little further. And repeat that sequence for 2 to 3 repetitions. And that is PNF, or Proprioceptive Neuromuscular Facilitation, for the pectoralis major muscle.